It came through Albany without planning to. A stop. A name between two destinations. But the city looked back. Not with a roar, but with quiet certainty. The station listens. It breathes with slow rhythm, a place between arrivals and departures. The city outside doesn't perform. It simply is confident in its own silence. Every sound is softer here. Every step echoes something old. A curve in a railing. A sunlit window. A feeling you can't name but recognize. Outside, Albany unfolds like a page, every building a sentence you didn't expect to read. And then the moment ends. The city recedes, but something follows you quiet, real, and still unfolding. No one rushes. Everyone's waiting for something or nothing. Albany, not a stop, a memory between the minutes.